morning. We are heading towards the Sunday market in the Rincon area, and today could be a busy one, as yesterday was a lot of rain, loads of people stayed inside, and today it's nice to see the sun out again, and it's not that clouded as well. So temperatures will rise until 21 degrees today, and in the evening latest today there's expected to be some rain again, but well, they'll be at 9 at night. So at that time most of the people will be off the beach again. One of the areas we'll also check out today. So Benidorm is getting busier again, and it's all due to the Santa Semana that's coming up, the Holy Week, Easter holidays, and that means that lots and lots of locals from Spain will be heading to Benidorm for the holiday. So we could be in for a surprise, and there could be huge crowds, but I think it will be alright, as most Spanish will have waited to book their holiday because of the unpredictable weather. So probably most of them will travel tomorrow, as it's clear now that Tuesday the sun will be definitely out again, and with the sun coming out on Tuesday again, it could mean that Wednesday this market will explode of people. It is already busy today, we can see, and the upcoming Wednesday will be pulling in loads of crowds over here. And while there are lots of Brits already, it'll be more and more Spanish the upcoming days. Spanish people are more likely to stay near Old Town, and that's an area we're going to explore later today in the afternoon to see how busy it will be over there. This market, which is always on Wednesday and Sunday, offers lots of varieties like clothing, vegetables, and all lots of other products you maybe want or maybe not. You can buy a cactus here if you want one. And man, check out these crowds. It will take a while before it'll be at the end. This is crazy. And they even have a churro stand. €5 for 12 churros. It's a good offer for Spain. And candy. Oh wow, look at these delicious strawberries. Yeah, there are people everywhere over here. But if you want to go, be on time, because it ends at around 1 or 2 p.m. And that's also the time usually in summer when it's got too unbearable and too hot to be here. They have the shading out today. And it's a good thing, because it is, while it's just 21 degrees, it feels much warmer, but it's also because everyone is on one big pile over here walking everywhere. They even have these shoes. Probably not the original ones for just 20. That would be impossible. Loads of handbags as well. And behind there, in the back, there's even a bar, but maybe we'll get that.
Oh, you did buy it, did you? Yeah. I waited for Nicole. A ver, ya estoy en la última fila.
Oh, there's no coming through over here. Okay, so we've made it to the bar, but no way we're gonna go there and have a drink. Way too busy for me. Let's get out of here. Oh man, that nearly took half an hour for just those 2 aisles. Can't imagine how crazy it will be on Wednesday when more locals are here from Spain to see the market. If you want to see that video, please do subscribe to the channel, and the video will automatically pop up on your YouTube timeline. And please do give a like, as it greatly helps promotion of our videos. Thank you. And now it's time to see how crazy the crowds are over here at the bars. Mostly English are going here. What's penny farthing we have over here, and it's full. Especially since all those people missed the sun the last few days with the rain and wind. Nice to be out again. Lots of live entertainment always at Dolce Vita. Dutch bar always doing well when the market is there and it is sunny. And their terrace is full. And we are almost nearing Uncle Pat's. place that will be probably packed today. As yesterday, yes, it was impossible, of course, with the weather it was. Yes, it does pull in a huge crowd over here. Good to see those places getting busy again. And on the opposite, compared to the empty Riviera bar yesterday, today it's at least half full already. More people will show up once they're done with the market and they're not stuck in the aisles anymore. Over there we can see the buses arriving from the airport, bringing in loads of new tourists. And over here at the Flash, no sign of any live entertainment. And it impacts their business a lot, as you can see. Just a few people are out there. So we'll go and explore the strip. And over here John & Joseph's, lots of people having breakfast already. Already late afternoon already. Because we got stuck at the market. This place will end up busier later today, I think. And the Western Saloon opened up today early. Yesterday they were still closed, and today they're open and at least a few people in there. Always nice, especially late at night for live entertainment. I love to go here. Hotel California also opened up early. First group's already in there. And over here the Red Lion, while they are open, there isn't anyone. Probably due to it's early. As I don't think the bad publicity of them lately would have any impact. As yesterday evening this place was booming. And opposite of the Red Lion, the Bridge Station. No one yet, but it's a better alternative I think of them. And even the prices are pretty cheap. 2 mixies for $6.50. Or 2 breezes for $6. Bucket of Amstel for $7.50. And they show their matches out here. So one of the things that always irritates me here at Broadway and the railway over there, where the square is, you have this spot. This part has looked ugly, it's abandoned for years already. And I think it's just because the owner doesn't want to sell his land to get a new bar up there. But it could be the best place I think in Benidorm, because everyone walks here at night. And it's usually crowded always over here. And on this corner, could be a beautiful bar or anything. And while we are passing La Marina Hotel, in the distance we can see the Rockstar already. And that's where we're gonna head to. See how anyone's out there already, and then head towards Levante Beach. And see how maybe there are some people already enjoying the sun over there. And over there at Andy, some people are up there already. Planet Benidorm. Few people in there, but not that busy as yesterday. Due to the rain, then this place was packed. Over there, Yorkshire Pride. I don't know what it is with this, but it's always full when I walk past here. Loads of people in there. Same goes for the Winning Post. Plenty of people enjoying the late breakfast or lunch as it is already. And jumping jacks in the distance. Yep, busy. And the jumping jacks is quite busy over here. At the Rockstar, not that busy yet. Will come later today as the sun will stay until at least until it gets dark, and then the rain will come a bit for now on. But that's one thing we know already, is that everything can change in Benidorm. Might start raining earlier or later, or not at all. Now let's head towards the beach, and after a 2-minute walk we're here, Levante Beach. And people have missed the sun. And I'm missing it right now as well, as it's clouded again. But over here you can see loads of people already sitting ready and waiting for it to return. Okay, time to head home. And first make a quick stop at Tiki Beach, as that place could be exploding already. We definitely want to check that out. Loads and loads of Spanish people already out here. And there's even more to come due to the fact they're waiting until the weather improves before they go on holiday. And then they'll probably book a last minute towards some of the coastal places from the people from inland to enjoy here for the Semana Santa. Yeah, more people heading towards the beach. And it's a busy one out here today. And while there are already loads of people out, and at Cayman it is busy as well. Next door, at Tiki Beach, it isn't, yeah, I think there's still enough space left. Let's have a closer look. Nice to see the beach full again, or full. A bit more than the emptiness of yesterday and the day before. Now the only thing missing is the sun. And we can see the green flag out today. So no high winds, no huge waves or any other thing dangerous in the sea. And there we can see King Coco busy. Lots of people in. And still the same goes on for the boulevard as well. Even in the back there we can, yeah, I hope you can see it, but in the back there also plenty of people enjoying I think the clouded weather right now. And let's hope it clears up. And if it isn't going to clear up, at least there are still plenty of seats left at the many terraces over here. But be on time, as maybe your favorite one could fill up. Like over here in the Bulldog. Not a single seat is left there. Over there at my favorite one, Chiringuita. A few places, seats left. But not for me, as we'll be heading into Old Town later today to see how the crowds are over there. So if you don't want to miss out on that video, do subscribe. Click the icon over here and then subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and see you later.